Hi everyone, this is a video to explain what's going to happen at the Welsh Music Awards next week. So we've been invited to the Welsh Music Prize, and that's an award ceremony. There's going to be people winning awards. There's going to be bands and singers from all around Wales playing and performing. So what do you need to know? So the Welsh Music Prize is part of the Llais Music and Arts Festival. It's going to happen in the Wales Millennium Centre down in Cardiff Bay on Tuesday the 10th of October 2023. So that's next Tuesday. We would like you guys to arrive at 6 o'clock. We need to be sitting in our seats at 7:15, so 6:45. The show will start at 7 and the show will end at 10:30. You can come with your buddy. If your buddy's unavailable, me or Kai will be there to help you on the night. And if someone else would like to come with you, so a support worker or a carer or a parent or friend, then that's fine too. Just let us know so we can make sure their names are on the list. Tickets are free, but if you want to buy anything like snacks and drinks, you're going to need your own money. So luckily for us, you can use card and cash, which is great. So they will be serving alcohol, they will be serving soft drinks, and they'll be serving snacks too. What to expect on the night. So it's an awards show. So if anyone's ever seen The Brits, it's going to be a little bit like that, but with much more Welsh music involved. There's going to be loads of cameras around. There'll be lots of famous musicians from around Wales. So you might want to swat up on some of the music that's going on at the moment in Wales. It will be busy there, but there will be quiet areas if you need them as well. And myself and Kai can show you exactly where those places are. There's going to be lots of performances. There's going to be awards given out. There will be times where we can't leave our seats, just so that we don't disturb the show. So it might be that we need to wait until everyone's giving applause so that we can get up and run out if we need to go to the toilet. And we might need to wait to come back in when it's not during someone's speeches. There's going to be lots of breaks for visiting the toilet and things, so don't worry about that. The music there is going to be a mix of pop, folk, indie, rock, hip-hop, and possibly other types of music too. You can see some of the information and some of the artists on the Welsh Music Prize website by going on the Wales Millennium Centre website and clicking the links on there. So, clothes, what do I wear? So for lots of people, they will be dressed up. So they might want something a bit sparkly and a bit nice. Other people will be coming in comfortable, casual clothes. Some people might have something funky on their heads. But it's totally up to you what you wear. Whatever you are comfortable in is fine. The artists, the performers will be wearing a big range of things, so you don't need to worry about that. The theatre is wheelchair accessible. You will have a seat for the show, so you don't need to worry about standing for too long. There's lots of lifts, and if you need any help, then you can just ask myself and Kai. We need to know by Monday the 9th if you're going to come, so we can make sure your name is on the guest list, which is very exciting. Let us know, and we hope to see you on Tuesday. Yay! Bye!